Speaker, ano na, dapat hanggat day nagiging 45,000 ang minimum wage. Ang ayuda for the minimum wage dapat tuloy-tuloy. Dapat hindi mailagta 5,000 a year. So hopefully, the following year, sana mag 10,000. And in the future, parehas ka purpose, monthly po yan, or around 660 billion pesos.
Our graduates, please now put your alampay. Congratulations, graduate. Let's clap our hands. Congratulations and mabuhay. You may now be seated. Excavator and C2 trainer, Mr. Angelito Sabuca. Alberto Kelvin Y.
Madrigal Nelgin A. Magallanes Edwin B. Felipe Janmar P. Lulu Justin L. Repato Henry L. Congratulations. Armado Denise Jr. M. Azores JRG. Azores Richard B. Trainer Mr. Christopher Orvelio. Ano Nuevo Maria Fe B. Botero J. Prudente. Dago Mark J. Hakub Darrell M. Hakub Maria Darlene Joy M. Lopez Neil Bossa. Hakub Darrell M. Lucio V. Lopez Neil Bossa. Vargas Carl Cedric M. Donald Ronald Jr. Akala Arlis M. Lodovicia. Another. Ang Certificate of Recognition for Outstanding Training to Jisan C. De La Torre.
Actually, sa totoo lang po, nagsimula ang lahat ng dahil sa inggit. One time, traveling ako pa uling sa Harong. May nahiling akong backhoe operator na babae. Sabi ko, nakakaingit naman si ate. Pero ako kasi ang tipo kang babae na hindi lang basta babae. Sabihin ko po sa inyo, kung ano ang kaya ninyong mga lalaki, kaya ko man ang gibuho. Kaya ninyo magtrabaho on top, kaya ninyo magtrabaho sa iraro, nag-iibabaw, nag-iiraro ng tabi ako. A dream which often dismissed dahil babae lang ako. But I held on to it with determination and passion. Through hard work, training, and the support.
Una-una po, I would like to grab this opportunity, makapagpasalamat po unang-una sa taas. Ayan po. Tandaan ninyo according to Book of Isaiah, chapter 60, verse 22. Nakalagay po doon, when the time is right, He will make it happen. So, my fellow graduates, this is our time. Time po natin to. Enjoy the time. Enjoy the day. And pangalawa, gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa ating sponsors. Sa mga nandito po, ladies and gentlemen, kung wala po sila, wala din po tayo dito. Especially to Ako Bicol Party List, to Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated, to our dear beloved trainers, staff, thank you very much po. Kasi sila yung nagsilbing essential tool para po makamit natin yung pangarap natin ngayon. Simula po ngayon. And third, pasalamat po tayo, wala man sila ngayon, sa ating mga magulang, sa ating mga kapatid, and especially sa ating pamilya, sa asawa, sa anak, o isabay na rin po natin yung extended family, kay jowa, kay boyfriend, kay girlfriend. Pakisabay na lang po, pag-uwi ninyo mamaya. And my dear graduates, according to a phrase po, sabi doon, give fish to a man, and he will have food to eat for a day. O, yan ang sinasabi ko doon. Then, teach him how to fish, and he will have to eat for a lifetime. So, kung intindihin po natin, napakasimple po ng meaning empowerment. Empowerment para sa ating lahat, para maging technically professional po tayo. Kasi ngayon pa lang po, ISMAO NC1, hydraulic equipment operation, wheel loader NC2, and hydraulic excavator po, O, na-train po tayo, well-equipped na po tayo, ready na po tayo to face the real world. O, na-produce po tayong competent and at the same time na-produce po tayong productive member ng ating society. Ready na po tayo to compete, hindi lang to compete, to work locally and globally po. Huwag na pong kakalimutan. And at the same time, reminder po, my dear fellow graduate, especially pagdating sa ISMAU. Remember, my dear ISMAUer, you are trained to become, not to become a grinder and not to become a chipping hammer. You are trained to become a plate welder and a pipe welder. And sa akin pong mga kasamahan sa heavy equipment operation, tandaan po tabi, merong cliche saying, yung lumang kasabihan na kapag heavy equipment operator daw, ang nandyan mga wrangler. Alam niyo yung term na wrangler? Mga gurangda. So, patunayan natin, baguhin natin yung kaisipan. Kasi, tandaan ninyo po, we're not getting older. Mas maganda, pasensya na, mas maganda sa heavy equipment operation. We are not getting older, we are becoming a legend. Tama? Yung iba mythical na. And, don't forget, my dear graduates, ako po ang sinishare ko sa inyo, sinasabi ko po sa inyo, this is based on my experience. Bakit? Tandaan ninyo po, wag na wag ninyong kakalimutan, ang pinaka-main goal natin sa buhay tatlo. Unang-una, to exist. Pangalawa, yung opportunity. Pag sinabing exist or existence, live life to the fullest. And pagdating naman po sa opportunity, binigyan na po tayo ng
metal fabricator. Kuha lang po kayo ng work experience dyan po sa Pampanga. Tuloy-tuloy niyo po yung 5 years work experience para po makarating dito sa Australia.
Nandito pa ako ngayon sa Port Houston, Australia. Nagtatrabaho pa ako bilang welder fabricator. At bago pa ako nakapunta dito is naging welder po muna ako dyan sa Pampanga.
Integrity and professionalism. I will use the competencies I have gained to contribute meaningfully to my workplace, community, and the nation. I shall remain forever grateful to my sponsors, mentors, trainers, and the institution that molded me. I vow to carry the name of Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated with pride and honor, and to be an example of lifelong learning and continuous growth. This I pledge with sincerity and dedication. So help me God.
Please rise. As a proud alumni of Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated, let us affirm our commitment to our alma mater and its future. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. As a proud alumnus of Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated, I pledge to uphold the values and traditions of my alma mater. Support and mentor current students. Contribute to the growth and development of my professions. Foster a spirit of community and collaboration among fellow alumni. Represent my institution with integrity and pride in all my endeavors. I promise to stay connected with fellow alumni and the institution. Actively participate in alumni events and activities. Give back to my community and support future generations. Embodying the spirit of service instilled in me. By embracing this pledge, I commit to being an active and engaged member of the Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated alumni community. Dedicated to its continued success and the advancement of its mission. You may be seated. Thank you.
For Ormelia, training and graduate of Batch 4. To formally conclude our program, let us hear the closing remarks from Ms. Grace Coloma, the Accounting Officer of Tecton Global Foundation Incorporated.
On behalf of Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated, taos-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng tumulong at naging bahagi sa tagumpay ng programa. Sa mga kinatawan ng Ako Bicol Party List, Congressman Elizalde Espo, Congressman Kiel Mongalon, and Attorney Mayor Pido Barbing Jr., and Ma'am Ani Sumanga, maraming salamat po sa mga pinagkaloob ninyong training isla. Malaki po ang naitulong nito sa pagbibigay ng oportunidad sa ating mga nagtapos. Kay Director Mariglo Macabuay Sese, na kumakatawan sa TESDA Provincial and Regional Offices, and Sir Joel Navarro, maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyong suporta at sa inyong nakapa-inspired na mensahe. Kay Ma'am Ning Alcazar and Ate G, maraming salamat po sa inyong hindi matatawarang suporta at paggabay. Sa mga pamilya at mahal sa buhay ng ating mga nagtapos, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta at paniniwala sa kanilang kakayahan. Napakahalaga po ang inyong papel sa kanilang tagumpay. Sa mga empleyado at staff ng Tecton Training Center, taos-puso po ang aking pasasalamat sa inyong sipag at dedikasyon na naging susi sa matagumpay na kaganapang ito. Sa ating mga graduates, isang malaking pagbati sa inyong tagumpay. Naway ipagpatuloy niyo ang paglinang ng inyong kaalaman at kasanayan. Manatiling mapagkumbaba at huwag kalimutan hinggil ang gabay ng Panginoon sa lahat ng aspekto sa inyong buhay. Muli, maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyo.
Paloma, the Accounting Officer of Tecton Global Foundation Incorporated. Once again, all graduates, congratulations. Thank you for joining us in this meaningful celebration. Let us continue to support our graduates as they embark on their journey. Mabuhay and congratulations. And thank you so much for our school staff for having me here tonight. I am your host again, the Master of Ceremony, Giselle Di Marco. Good evening and good night.
Manuel A. Danao. Ronald A. Danut. Eduardo Jr. M. Lopera. Jomari M. Lopez. Rico M. Misal. Jomari R. Nas. Lawrence B. Malera. Christian Dave A. Portela.
Video yan.
John Mark C. Rampilio. Leo N. Ricofort Jr. Junessa M. Serrano. RJ M. Toledo. Sheldon Metal Arc Welding Scout NC2. Trainer Marvelia Reynaldo. Manuel A. Danao. Ronald A. Danut. Eduardo Jr. M. Lopera. Jomari M. Lopez. Rico M. Misal. Jomari R. Nas.
Palitan ka.
Jomari na lang.
Christian Dave A. Porten.
Ano pag-iwag ka lang? Video yan.
John Mark C. Rampilio. Leo N. Ricofort Jr. Junessa M. Serrano. RJ M. Toledo. Sheldon Metal Arc Welding Scout MC2. Trainer Marbelia Reynaldo.